everybody! Welcome back to my Minecraft building series. In the last episode, we built a watchtower slash lighthouse, I guess. And we also built these two little tiny houses that look sort of like witch huts. And so today, I don't know what we're going to be building. Let's just build stuff. I'm just going to make like a little tiny village. Well, extend the village. So now I just need, and so now I just need to put that down, and put that down. I'm just gonna use a wooden door because that will hopefully be useful. Well, I'm gonna move this dot up here. There we go. There. There. Down, there, down, there, down. There. Okay. They're very far away from each other, but that's fine. Okay, luckily I still have torches. Okay, I don't have a roof yet. Now that I have my roof, oh yeah, I forgot I still don't. Oh, I should probably add stairs. Stairs there. And 3 more stairs. There we go. Now to add the torch, I did not click on glowstone. There. And there. Now to, stop it. Now close the door. Okay, so here's my little village. I'm just gonna make a wall around so that creepers can't get in and blow up everything. And won't kill anybody. There we go. Hopefully they don't spawn inside. I'll probably just add torches later, but well. There we go. No, done. Just place, thank you. Done. No, just make it go on around. So there we go. Yeah. So there's my wall for now, at least. I'll probably build it up some more, make it 2. Yeah, don't come over here, creeper. Yeah, and so then I'll probably extend it out. Okay. But for now, this is as big as it's gonna be. Okay. Ooh, nice mountain. Okay. Now I just need to think of something to build. What should I build? Should I build this? No. Ooh, I know. I should build like a giant. I don't. Nice skeleton. It's annoying. Oh yeah, by the way, get this app called Mcpe Master. It's a very good app. It'll allow you to install mods, texture packs, and add-ons and skins into Minecraft Pocket Edition. But if you've updated it like me, then the mods won't work. But you still can have stuff, like the stuff that always comes with it. All of this stuff comes with it normally. It's actually pretty cool, and if you have it and if your friend doesn't have this app, you can totally troll them. Because you can get so much strong. You can get all of this insane stuff. And then it also has this really cool thing called rapid build. And so okay. I don't where should I build a I'll build it up here. Here, this is how you use it. I'm just gonna make it about 10. There we go. And then you want to put it to solid, and then you choose what block you want to make it out of, and then, oh, that's annoying. And then you want to go to options and put on quick undo button. So there we go, and get out of my way. So now we have this thing, it's just levitating, weird. I'm gonna put this so it looks more, come on. Yeah, so that's the problem. If you do that, then it gets really annoying because you have to turn it off. Man, my voice keeps on crackling. Then you just want to add some cool effects like this so that it will look more realistic. There we go. And it looks more as realistic. Looks pretty cool, actually. Okay, and so now I just need to build my town hall. Now I just need to remember how to... oh, God. Okay. I'm just gonna build right there. So, and so then if you... because then if you put on frame, then you can build walls up so easily, like this. It's extremely easy. I'm just gonna make this a 1-floor building. Okay, 1, 2, this is gonna be the town hall, so it's gonna be, like, pretty big. And then once you're as high as you want it, then just turn it back to solid. And there you go. You have this. There we go. And some oak wooden. Oh, that's annoying. Why me? Now I have to put in the floor again. Destroy this brick, put it there. There we go. Luckily, it's pretty easy to use. Now, just remember to turn it off when you're done, or else that will happen. And you do not want that to happen, or else it'll pretty much ruin your creation. And then you have to start all over. Man, my voice keeps on crackling. And so, wow, we have to go a long way. Well, whatever. There we go. And let me know in the comment and give me a like if you guys want to see more. And if you're liking this. There we go. Plant. There we go. Another one. Another one bites dust. Another one does. Another one does. Okay. Wrong spot. There we go. I don't want dirt. Okay. And so there we go. That's pretty much my town hall. It's pretty nice. And open the doors. Auto jump, I think. It's not too terribly big, but it's pretty big. It can hold at least like 5 people in here. Yeah, sort of like a shelter. Okay, so pretty. Okay. Glowstone in that corner, in that corner, in that corner, in that corner. And of course it's raining. I like rain. So hopefully it's not too loud for you guys, but I don't know. My volume's really low on my side. Okay, I'm just gonna add seats. Stop. There. Move. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. 2, yep. There we go, 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 there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. So it's actually looking pretty nice. Now to add some pillar quartz blocks in here. What? Wait. Oh, that's annoying. Ooh, that looks pretty nice actually. I don't know how I did that. Can I do it like this? Ooh, that looks really nice. I do like that a lot. Now they actually look like seats. That is really cool. Okay, so now that we have these now down. Now that doesn't look as cool. Stop it. I need to look up something in here. And then also you can search up items. Yeah, and so it's pretty cool how this does work. I don't know what I'm connected to, but okay. I would like water, yeah. Water. Stationary water. This stuff's pretty cool. Wrong button. Keep on hitting my record button. I don't know if I cut out some of my stuff. I probably did. That's annoying. I'm just gonna switch to level survival. And then I'm gonna get the water item. The stationary water. This stuff's pretty cool. Because it's stationary. Why did you... that's annoying. Stop it. Try to place down a door. Place down some glass then. Glass. I do not know why that did that. But okay, I guess I'm just going to... Does that look cooler? Yeah, that does. But... whatever. This is extremely annoying, trying to do this. I just need one. There we go. And there we go. There we go. So now, it looks really nice, actually. It's a very nice town hall. Yes. Ooh, I know. I need to go back to creative. And then I would like to get some... Where is it? I'm pretty sure it's in miscellaneous or something. Yeah, it's in here. No, that's a note block. Where's the jukebox? Jukebox, where are you? Where are you, jukebox? I would like it if you would work. Well, if I could find it. Wait, are there even jukeboxes in Minecraft? Here, I'll look it up. There we go. And no, they don't have them, and I think I probably misspelled that. Okay, so now that I have that, I don't need that. I don't need a note block. So, okay. Now that I have my beautiful town hall, and to see it in its full glory. There we go. There's it in its full glory. So, oh, I know. I don't know how long this recording has been going on for, but I'm probably gonna stop soon. And I know, because they do have beacons in here. I'm pretty sure. Oh, yeah, they do. Beacons, yeah. Now I just have to remember. Okay, I'm going to try and make this. Hopefully this will work. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is how it works. Oh, man, I keep on dozing off. I need some glass. Do you have colored glass? I need colored glass. I don't actually think you have colored glass. Okay, but you do have a bunch of these. So, I need emerald blocks. emerald blocks. That's diamonds. I don't need them. Emerald, there we go. And I just did that. Wow. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just gonna place this, so many down. There we go. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Click, 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 click. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. Now, will you light up? Or no? You light up? Why won't you light up? I will do this then. I don't exactly understand that, but okay. So, yeah, I'll try and figure this out, but for now, I hope you guys did enjoy. Bye.